Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with a full body sculpt with or without dumbbells. They are optional. You're going to love this routine, so let's get right into it. Go ahead, put those dumbbells down for now because we're gonna do a nice, quick little warm up. First, 5 big breaths. Really inhale and fill those lungs as your arms come up. All right, look up, stretch, elongate, and then exhale as they come down. Very good. 2, 3, go ahead and make noise with your breath. Fill those lungs. All right, this also helps warm up your body. 4, 5, last one, make it good. Exhale, release, shake it out, wiggle it out. Very good. Next, we're gonna do some arm swings. You can go ahead and do some horizontal first, so side to side, making sure that you don't open up your rib cage, so we're not splaying out like this. We're not going like this. All right, boom, lock it in, tight core, all right? Start engaging your entire body, checking in with your posture. All right, engaging your core, nice tight tummy. All right, good posture. Push your shoulders down. All right. Just by activating the rest of your body, even if you're not moving it, but you're just standing strong and pushing through your heels and tightening your tummy and fixing your posture. Posture is a way of warming up as well, all right? Very good. And in 3, 2, 1, go ahead, switch vertical, up and down. Remembering that same point as before, not opening up your rib cage and splaying open. Very good. You can take your time, go a little bit faster if you feel more limber. All right, just listen to your body. Very good. Breathing here as well. And 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Ending this warm up with some squats. I love squats. Do them every day. They work the entire body. Feet are hip width apart. Sit in an invisible chair. Make sure that your knees never pass your toes. You have a nice straight back. All right, very good. Chin is up, chest is up. Very good. All right, you can even hold it here a little bit. Hold before you come up, squeeze. Coming down, hold, squeeze, or just go ahead, up and down continuously. Tightening your core, tightening your butt and legs as you come up. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, shake out those legs. Moving on to our workout, pick up your dumbbells, always with a nice straight back. I never want to see you curve like this. All right, boom. Bend down, use your knees, straight back. Never pick up anything with a curved back because that's how you hurt your spine. All right, starting with our first exercise, we have a squat to alternating press and knee, high knee. All right, so squat position, arms here, elbows close. We're a squat and then opposite arm, opposite knee. Squat and then other side. All right, very good. Make sure you break it up. Make sure you're not rushing into the next move, all right? So squat, stand, up, down, squat, stand, up, down. Break it up, okay? Faster does not mean better, all right? What's gonna really work your muscles and shape your body is, little coordination here, is taking your time and engaging the right muscles. All right, so take your time. Make sure your form is good. All right, nice flex foot. Can't talk and do this one, oh my goodness. Nice flex foot. All right, there we go. This one works out your brain as well with a little coordination, all right? And 3, 2, 1. And release. We'll get it better on the second one. Next, we have a reverse row to curl. All right, so I'm gonna go into a hinge, a nice little bent over position. All right, so hinging the hips. All right, our palms are facing forward. We're going to row and then curl. All right, staying in that position, which is working our legs, our back, our core, making sure that spine is straight. And then here in the arms, we're rowing. This is our triceps and our shoulders coming down and then working our biceps. Very good. Nice tight core the entire time. Long, elegant neck. Push those shoulders away from your ears. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1. And standing straight. Very, very good. Next, we have some stationary lunges with hammer curls. So nice wide stance. Toes are facing forward. All right, hands are facing each other. We're gonna go into a side lunge, hammer curl, come up, and then other way. All right, now it's only normal that when you go into that side lunge that you go forward, you bend forward a little bit. Just make sure that your back is nice and straight. And remember, break up those movements. Take your time, do them correctly. Breathing. Inhale as you stand. Exhale as you come into that lunge. Inhale, exhale. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And standing. Very good. Next, we have a sumo hold to dumbbell taps. All right, wide stance, toes goes out. So sumo squat, sumo hold, arms out to the side, and we're gonna tap hands. All right, side to side. Very good. If holding this position is a little bit too much for you today, it's not for you, break it up, all right? Start standing, squat, tap, tap, stand. All right, squat, tap, tap, stand. All right, or you can just hold those arms out there and do some sumo squats. All right, different variations there for you. Just figure out which one works best for you. Breathing. And 3, 2, 1. Center and up. There we have it. Set 1. Great job. Take a second, big breath. Going right into set 2, starting with our squat to alternate press and high knee. You got this. Let's go. Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops. And 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Reverse row to curl. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and stand. Very good. Little wiggle, wiggle. Stationary lunges with the hammer curl. Wide stance. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle, wiggle. Little shake in the legs. Wide stance for sumo hold. Dumbbell tap. Let's go. You got this. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Center and straight. Celebrate. 2, done and dusted. Great job. Take a second, big breath. Set number 3, you got this. Starting with our squat to alternate press and high knee. Let's go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Reverse row to curl. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and stand. Very good. Little wiggle, wiggle. Stationary lunges with the hammer curl. Wide stance. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle, wiggle. Little shake in the legs. Wide stance for sumo hold. Dumbbell tap. Let's go. You got this. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Center and straight. 3 sets done and dusted. Great job. Time for a little cool down, catch our breath, recenter ourselves. Go ahead, put down those dumbbells. All right, and we're gonna start with 5 big breaths. Inhale, arm comes up. Exhale, and 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, very good. Now for a reverse shoulder stretch, you're gonna clasp your hands behind you. All right, straighten your arms. If this is enough, go ahead, stay here. Make sure you're nice and straight. Make sure you're not like this, all right? Straight. And then if you want to go deeper, you're going to raise your hands. If you need assist, you can always put your hands on a chair or counter and help go up from there. Breathe. Very good. With every exhale, try to go a little deeper. Chin up. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle it out. Shake, shake, shake. Ending it with a nice relaxing hamstring stretch. All right. One leg straight, toes up in the air. You're going to reach towards your toes. Nice straight back. All right. If holding the position is not for you today, you can go ahead and make it a dynamic stretch. All right. Kind of going from one leg to the other for both sides. If not, go ahead, hold one for 30 seconds. We're almost done. Straight back, all right? Make sure you're not curved like this. Lead with your chest, chin up. And 3, 2, 1. Straightening up, very good. Other side. Breathing. Roll your shoulders back. Make sure you're not scrunched up. Very good. 10 more seconds. And 3, 2, 1. Standing up, giving yourself a pat on the back, round of applause. We did it. Warm up, 3 sets of that awesome workout, a cool down. I hope you loved it, got some new moves in there. So let me know in the comments below what you thought, which move was your favorite, where are you tuning in from, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.